What is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? This is Science Tree and today we will talk about cells. From the simpler ones to the complex ones. So what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells are very important for us. Why? Because they maintain nutritional cycle in our environment. They act as microbes, they act as pathogens, and they are used for the treatment of many diseases. They are also present in our intestine for the digestion of food. Other than that, prokaryotic cells are so much smaller in size that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Prokaryotes possesses prokaryotic cells which are much simpler than eukaryotic cells. So let's discuss the difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So this one is the simpler diagram of prokaryotic cell. According to this, it has cell wall, cell membrane, a nucleus. No, not a nucleus. We will say it nucleotide. Yes. And what is nucleide? Basically, nucleide is a nucleus without membrane. Have you ever think that why they have a nucleus without membrane? Why they are so much simpler? Yes, because they have to replicate very rapidly. ये इतनी तेज़ी के साथ डिवाइड करते हैं, इतनी तेज़ी के साथ अपनी कॉपीज़ जनरेट करते हैं कि न्यूक्लियस की वॉल ना होने की वजह से ये अपने इस एक्शन को बहुत रैपिडली परफॉर्म करते हैं. That's why they are present in millions of amount. The word pro means before and karyot means nucleus. So these are the simpler organisms which have simpler nucleus. Other than that, they have cell organelles, but their cell organelles are not membrane bounded. Mostly they have only ribosomes. While if I talk about eukaryotic cell, eu means true and karyot means nucleus. So basically eukaryotic cells are bigger than as compared to the prokaryotic cells. And not only bigger, also the complex ones. They have so many organelles present in them, and other than that, their organelles are membrane bounded. Let's see the major differences between them. Now, if we compare the nucleus of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, the eukaryotic cells have prominent nucleus bounded by nuclear envelope. While if I talk about prokaryotic, they do not have proper nucleus. इनका न्यूक्लियस इतना सिंपल होता है कि क्रोमोसोम्स जस्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ डीएनए जो कि साइटोप्लाज्म में फ्लोट कर रहा होता है. यूकैरियोट के न्यूक्लियस के लिए हम वर्ड न्यूक्लियस यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन प्रोकैरियोट के न्यूक्लियस के लिए हम वर्ड न्यूक्लियाइड यूज़ करते हैं. एंड दिस न्यूक्लियाइड इज सो मच सिंपल दैट इट कैन रैपिडली डिवाइड. If I talk about other organelles, eukaryotic cell have membrane-bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, while these membrane-bounded organelles are not present in prokaryotic cell. The ribosomes of eukaryotic cells are larger in size as compared to that of the prokaryotic cell. If I talk about the size, eukaryotic cells are on average 10 times larger than prokaryotic cells. And cell wall. The cell wall of eukaryotic cell is made up of cellulose in plants and chitin in fungi. All prokaryotic cells have cell wall, which is made up of peptidoglycan. And what is peptidoglycan? a large polymer of amino acids and sugars. The word peptide comes from peptide linkage amino acid and glycon come from glucose, sugars. So these are some major differences which are present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. All the bacteria are prokaryotic cells, and bacteria are very important. Why? Because they act as decomposers in our environment. They are present in our intestine for the digestion of food as well. So in this way, these are some basic differences. Thank you so much. For more videos, keep watching. Have a great day.